Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, November 27, 2012. Well, technically a continuation of the trend to the upside today. Today's candle has made a lower high but a higher low, therefore not changing the trend. The previous day's trading, we had a lower high and a higher low as well, so another inside day, two inside days in a row, and the trend prior to that was this very strongly bullish candle with a higher high and a higher low. Therefore the uptrend remains intact. The market today came very close to changing this trend. Yesterday I suggested that it was a strong possibility because of the tweezers top pattern and the hanging man type pattern that we had set up, but suggested that the support around 1400 was going to be very strong, and there was a very good possibility that even though the sellers were attempting to take control of this market and the buyers lost commitment, that this 1400 area would hold as very strong support. And that's basically what we've seen today. We have seen the market close just down below the 1400 level, however, and in a very bearish manner, very large black body candle compared to the previous candle, and it suggests that the sellers have taken control of this market. They've shown some strong commitment to this market throughout the trading day. So there is a possibility that this trend could change for tomorrow's trading, so we do need to watch the low. But the thing is, with this 1400 round number, the influence that it exerts extends above and below that actual round number, and peaking just below the 1400 level, as we've seen here previously, does suggest that buying still could come in even down to around the 1395 area, so we do need to watch that. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, because the trend hasn't changed, we are examining the current first time frame uptrend and its relationship to the previous time the market was trending up, and here we've seen the market rejected very strongly from the 261.8% level. Today the high of the current candle was basically at that level, and we've seen the strongest amount of rejection that we've seen for the previous few days, and it does suggest that there is strong potential for a change of trend to the downside, as long as this market can trade through that 1400 level in a very bearish manner. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement of the prior downtrend, we had the market trading through the 61.8% in a very bullish manner. Next target was the 78.6, a minor level, and the market hasn't traded to there, so no significant levels have been met with the Fibonacci retracement at the moment. In terms of Ichimoku, change in sentiment today. The market is trading now down below the Kijun-sen in a bearish manner. We've had a bearish breakout down below. With Ichimoku charts, that is a bearish signal, and because it's occurred down below the cloud, it's quite a strong signal, and that does suggest that there is potential for this market to trade substantially lower. We do have strong support below, extending down to 1395, then down to this minor level around the 1390 level roughly. But if we can see strong bearish activity down below, there is a possibility of the market trading down towards the 1378 level. Now, this market is also trading down below the cloud, and that suggests that we have a bearish market in big picture terms, so now in line with what we're seeing in the medium term time frame, and does reinforce that signal that we've got today. But also we are trading above the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, so we have a bullish market in the in the fast term time frame. But the market has been trading down below there for quite some time. We had a change of sentiment about a week and a half ago when the market broke out up above there, but now there is a possibility that the market could trade down towards the Tenkan-sen and find support down around that level, which coincides roughly with the 1378 level of support. So for tomorrow's trading, obviously we have now some fairly strong resistance set up at the high of these candles around this 1409 to 1410 level, but also very strong support down around the 1400 level, extending down to roughly around the 1395 area.